Before I knew your name, I knew the sound of you. The way morning knows the sun before it sees the light. Urakunda. You love. And the whole world feels it. They ask me where home is. I tell them, home is the space between your hands when they reach for mine. Home is the word karibu, spoken in your voice. Welcome. Always welcome. Urukundo is not soft. Do not let them tell you love is soft. It is the rain on the hills of Rwanda. Heavy, relentless, green-making. It is the kind of thing that changes the shape of the earth just by showing up. Uyuniwe. This one is the one. I knew it the way you know a song the first time you hear it. Like you've always known it. We have fought. Oh, we have fought. Like thunder argues with the sky, loud and necessary and over by morning. Because Mbabarira, forgive me, is the bravest thing two people can say to each other and mean it. Amaso, Yawe, your eyes hold more stories than I have years to read. So I will stay, I will keep reading page after page, season after season, umwaka after umwaka, year after year. People fall in love. We did not fall. Twagiye, hamwe. We walked together, eyes open, hands steady, into something neither of us could name at first. But both of us felt. So here's what I know. When the world is loud, you are my quiet. When I am lost, you are my Inzira, my path. When I forget who I am, you say my name like it means something, because to you it does. Ndagukunda, I love you, not because the world is beautiful, but because with you I finally learned how to see it.